Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Before we proceed any further, let me quickly discuss the homework questions with you. Question number 1, 2, and 3 were your homework. So, question number 1, the first part was homework, and this is my answer coming. This is the actual, this is the estimated. Please cross check your answers very quickly. You may pause the video and then you can see that. Then question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 2 second part was homework. Question number 3 first part was homework. You can quickly cross check your answers, the actual and the estimated, what the answer is coming. Okay, now students, let's proceed towards the next question, which is question number 4, students. In this I have written the question so that I can explain you with the help of the question. Okay, and for question 5 also I have written. Now a farmer produced this much wheat and this much kg pulses in a year. Okay, so this much kg wheat and this much kg pulses the farmer is producing. Estimate his total produced by rounding off to the nearest lakh. Total, you know, when we have to find total, we have to add the two things. इतना wheat प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, इतना pulses प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, आपको टोटल प्रोड्यूस फाइंड करना है, तो बेटा you will of course total, you know, you understand, you have to add. But students, did you notice one word is there here? Here they are writing estimate. When you saw the word estimate, it means you have to round off, and specifically they are saying estimate the total produced by rounding off to the nearest lakh. It means you have to first round off this value, then you have to round off this value, then you have to find the total, means then you have to add. Okay, so what your teacher is going to do, first she will write the statements which are given like we do in the normal word problems. Weight of wheat produced kitna tha bache, you will see from here, you will write down the weight of the wheat produced, or you can also write the statement in your own words that the wheat produced is equal to, I wrote this was 390784. okay, kg. But because I know this is a rounding off question, after every statement I will write the estimated statement. Estimated weight of wheat produced, जो भी हम statements लिखते हैं उसके बाद हम एक extra statement लिखेंगे rounding off वाली. Estimated weight of wheat produced will be what? It was saying that by rounding off to the nearest lakh, so I will round off every value to the nearest lakh. You know, I've underlined the lakhs place 3. How many zeros I will put after this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros I've put. To this 3 I will add 1. Why will I add 1 to 3? If I add 1 to 3 it will become 4. But why am I adding? Because 3 से पहले वाली जो digit है, जो right वाली digit है, it is more than 5. It is more than 5, so I have to add 1 to 3. If I add 1 to 3, my answer will become 4. So this is the estimated weight of the wheat produced. Okay, likewise weight of pulses produced is this much. We have copied from the question. I have to write another statement, estimated weight of pulses. I will round off this, okay, to the lakhs place, because they are saying by rounding off to the lakhs place you have to find out. So that's why I've rounded off, and this came. I have to find total. I have to find estimated total. So I know I have to add the values, but because estimated question is there, I don't have to add the original value, students. I have to add the values which I rounded off. So I have put a tick on this and this. तो हमें अगर हमें वैसे टोटल पूछते बेटा, what would we have done? We would have added this and this. But they are asking us the estimated total produce. तो जो हमने round off करा है दोनों cases में, हम उसको add करके बताएंगे. So I have taken this value, to this I have added this value, my answer came this. So I will write down estimated is total produce. So estimated total produce, my statement is not total produce, my statement is estimated total produce is equal to this much kg. Actually it is 5 lakh kg. Okay, students, next question is question number 5. A fruit seller brought this much bananas, this much oranges, and this much apples from the wholesale market. So 3 statements you know to write. That number of bananas brought, number of oranges brought, number of apples brought. Round off to the nearest lakh and estimated the total fruits brought. First we have to round off all the 3 values, then we have to find the total fruits value. How many total fruits? To find the total, you know, we will add the 3 values. But not these values we have to add. But we have to first round off, then we have to estimate the total. Estimate the total means you will not add the actual values. You will add the values which you have rounded off. The new values, you will add those values. So see my statements. Number of bananas I wrote, then I rounded off this. To which place I have supposed to round? To the nearest lakh. I rounded off this. Okay, I will underline the lakhs place. I will underline the lakhs place. It is 2. Up to 2 I am adding 1 because the previous digit was more than 5. So it became this much. Okay, 3 lakh. Number of oranges were brought this much. Next statement I will write estimated number of oranges, which is this. Again I have rounded off this. at the lakhs place. The number of apples brought is this much. I will again round off this 4. I will add 4. I will add 1. Why will I add 1? Because the previous digit is 5. It became 5 lakh. First I have added, students, these two values. Okay. It came 6 lakh, and to 6 lakh I added 5 lakh. It became 11 lakh. So therefore the total fruits bought is 11 lakh. One word I am missing here is they are saying estimated the total fruits bought. Estimated total fruits brought is this much. Okay, students, now question number 6, they were saying that a school needs a certain money. Okay, a school needs certain money, but it is having this much money in the accounts. How much more money is needed to raise the funds? Okay, so school के पास इतना money है, स्कूल को इतना मनी चाहिए. द स्कूल नीड्स दिस मच मनी, बट स्कूल के अकाउंट्स में इतना मनी है, तो उसको और कितना एक्स्ट्रा मनी चाहिए. लेट मी टेक स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल. लेट मी टेक एग्जाम्पल दैट फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको एक पेन ₹10 का मिलता है. ओके, यू नीड ₹10 टू बाय अ पेन. ओके, यू नीड ₹10 टू बाय अ पेन. सो बट आपके पास कितना मनी है? ₹7 है अपने अकाउंट्स में. आपको एक्स्ट्रा मनी कितना चाहिए? ₹3 और चाहिए, बिकॉज यू हैव ₹7 बट यू नीड 10. You have 7 but you need 10. So how much extra you need? 3. How you have found out that 3? By subtracting. So likewise, school is needing this much money, but the school has this much money. How much more money the school needs? We have to estimate and find. We will simply subtract, but we will not subtract the original values. We will subtract the rounded off values, because they are saying estimate the money it needs more. The money which it needs more, we have to estimate and find. It means we have to round off. Then we have to find the difference, not the original difference. इसमें तो आप ओरिजिनल डिफरेंस निकालोगे, इसमें भी आप ओरिजिनल डिफरेंस निकालते हैं, बट बिकॉज देयर इज दिस एस्टिमेटेड वर्ड, इसलिए पहले आप इनको राउंड ऑफ करोगे, फिर आप इसका डिफरेंस निकालोगे. सो द मनी द स्कूल नीड्स इज दिस मच. अगेन दे वर सेइंग टू राउंड ऑफ टू द आई थिंक लैक्स प्लेस ओनली. तो देखो इसमें मैंने इसको अंडरलाइन करा, लैक्स प्लेस को 9. मैंने 9 में जब बच्चे 1 ऐड करा तो ये क्या बन गया? 10. जब आप 10 जब बनता है कोई नंबर, तो आप 0 यहाँ लिखते हो और 1 कहाँ कर देते हो? कैरी कर देते हो. तो 1 कैरी हो गया, तो ये बन गया 5. लाइकवाइज आई राउंडेड ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो टू 5. आई विल ऐड 1 बिकॉज प्रीवियस डिजिट वॉज मोर देन 5. तो 5 में जब 1 ऐड करा, ये 6 बन गया. ये 3 एज इट इज रहा. यहाँ पर 4 एज इट इज क्यों नहीं रहा? क्योंकि उसको एक 1 मिल गया. ओके, बिकॉज 9 + 1 is 10. So this is the reason. Okay, so money in the accounts was this. I rounded off. Estimated money in accounts, estimated money school needs. Every statement which you write original, when you are rounding it off, in front of that you will just put the word estimated. Money in accounts, estimated money in accounts. Money in the school needs, estimated money the school needs. So you will simply subtract these two values. Estimated money, it still has to raise is 14 lakh rupees. Okay, so students, next question is, students, in the next question, which is question 7, there the person has received these many order of shirts. You read the question. I will suggest that you sit with your book. In that the person is having an order of these many books. For example, let's say your father is starting a business. Okay, and he has to supply certain commodities, certain objects. Okay, now he is having, let's say he is supposed to deliver 10 objects, but he is having only 7 with him. So how many more he will need? He will need 3 more. So this is the order of shirts the person has received, but only these many shirts he is having in the stock. This is the order he has received. These many he has in the stock. You will read the problem, you will understand. Okay, read the word problem. Now the number of shirts for order were these. These many order means उसको इतनी shirts का order आया है, उसको इतनी देनी है. But उसके पास stock में कितनी है means how many is he having right now with him in the stock? He is having these many shirts. So many are needed, but he's having this much. You can see this number is big, this number is small. So how many more he needs? You know, we will subtract and find. But we don't have to subtract the actual values. They are saying estimate. They are saying estimate and find out that too at the lakhs place. So in this question also, student, estimated number of shirts for order and estimated number of shirts in stock. We just rounded off both the values, and the rounded off values we have subtracted. We subtracted. So we found out more shirts to be arranged were 2 lakh. Next question, question number 8, students, they were not telling us to round off to which place. So when they don't tell us, we will round off to the greatest place. जो भी लास्ट वाली प्लेस होती है हम उस पर राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. अगर उन्होंने नहीं लिखा ना लाख पे राउंड ऑफ करना है, 100 पे करना है, 1000 पे करना है, तो हम जो सबसे लास्ट वाला डिजिट होता है हम उसको अंडरलाइन करके राउंड ऑफ करते हैं. तो देयर इज अ बिग कार, देयर इज अ स्मॉल कार. बिग कार का कॉस्ट इतना है, स्मॉल कार का कॉस्ट इतना है. दे आर सेइंग find the difference in their cost, but they are not saying just find the difference. They are saying estimate the difference. एस्टिमेट के लिए जब हमें डिफरेंस निकालना है तो पहले हम दोनों वैल्यूज़ को राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, फिर सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे. So students, cost of big car is this. So estimated cost of big car will be what? You will round off this value, you will underline this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros you have put. 8 will remain as it is. You will not add any 1 to 8 because the previous digit is less than 5. Cost of small car you wrote. You underline this last digit 3. It will become 4 and 5 zeros will be followed. So to this 3 we are adding 1 because the previous digit is more than 5. Okay, it became 4. So you just find the difference of these values which you have rounded off. So estimated difference in the cost is rupees this much. Students, you will try to do question number 9 yourself. Okay, I will be telling you in the next class, so don't get panicky that if you are not able to do, but you can just try it. In that you just have to give the direct answer, no worries. Okay, so you will try to do exercise number, this is exercise 12 I suppose. Exercise 12 you will do from question number 4 to question number 9. Okay, in your notebooks you will do these questions, in out of which question number 4 to question number 8 I have discussed. You can just make notes of it, and question number 9 you will just try doing yourself. It is not a word problem, it is just a one line problem with you just have to write the solution in the front. Thank you class.